So today I'm going to show you how to make Kylo Ren's lightsaber out of mostly cardboard. So start by getting a wrapping paper roll or something similar. And you just want to cut it down to about 10 inches in length, somewhere around there. I'm not sure how long his lightsaber really was, but that's how I made mine. And then get another tube that's just big enough to slip over the other one. And you want to cut it so it's about 3 inches. And then slip that right over the end. You might have to pinch it a little bit to get it over, but slip it over, and then you'll do the same thing on the bottom with a slightly smaller piece, not quite as long as the first one. And then you want to just draw on where the cutout will be and take a bunch of basically junk. You just want to glue all the junk on there. So I use some eye and hook loops, I use some plastic beads, a broken sewing machine needle, some snaps, a few pieces of candle wick, basically just any kind of junk. Just glue it on there, and then you'll give it a coating of chrome silver paint. So then cut a circle of 3mm craft foam. You can also use cardboard and glue that onto the top of the lightsaber. Take another piece of 3mm craft foam and cut out a hole, and the hole is going to go right over all that silver junk that you have glued on there. Just glue that around it. Then take a piece of 5mm foam and cut it in a circle and glue that onto the bottom. This is what you should have so far. Then take some 5mm strips, and you're just going to glue those all the way around the bottom, leaving space in between each one. So you go right to the top of the cardboard there, the white cardboard. So then take some 3mm strips, half size of the other ones, glue them in between, and then do the same thing at the top, just leaving a little bit of space in between each one and going all the way around. And then take two very small little cardboard rolls. Those are going to be the side pieces. But first you're going to want to draw on the little cutout areas, and then just cut those out. So when you glue them on, you get the slanted edges. And then glue a really small piece right on the top. So then you just want to give everything a coating, 3 coats of school glue. That'll help the paint adhere to it better. And then coat it all in some glossy black paint. You'll have to put some painter's tape over your silver so that you don't paint that. Then the rest of it just gets turned black. And so then I took, this is an old cell phone charger that I don't have the phone anymore, so I just kept the cord because I literally save everything to use for cosplay. And I cut the cord to size to use as wires. So I painted one of them red and one of them blue. And then the blue one I cut in half to make 2 tiny pieces, and I put some glue on the ends and tucked them inside with the junk in the junky area. And then the red one, I just put a little glue on the end, bent that inside, and then I put some glue down the rest of the wire and just pushed that in place all the way down. And so here is the full Kylo Ren lightsaber.
Rey, I want you to join me. We can rule together and bring a new order to the galaxy.
In the history of bad guys, has that join me speech ever really worked?